just got my Brisva teeth aligners. I'm starting month 1, week 1. I'm super excited about this, so you guys come along on the journey with me. It's going to be about a 6-month journey. Here is the top aligner. Really easy. Here's a bottom aligner. This one's a little bit harder to get in. There, it's in. You can't even tell. You can hardly tell even when I talk. The S's are a little bit lispy, but that's okay. So I'm super, super excited for this and to straighten these teeth out. So like I said, follow along on the journey with me. I will be posting about this for the next 6 months. Okay, so it's the morning after I started my aligners. I started them yesterday afternoon, so it has not even been 24 hours yet, but my teeth are not that sore at all. It's way better than I thought it was gonna be, because I've had braces before and I thought it was gonna be really, really sore, but not that bad at all. So I'm just have washed them and I'm putting them back in. Top one goes in really easily. The bottom one's still a little hard. Obviously it hasn't been that long, so it's gonna still be tough to get in, but this one's a little harder. And then you have this little tool. Just bite down on it to seat the aligners in. And now I'm ready for the day.